Menstruation is a natural biological process that most women experience for a significant portion of their lives. It marks a period of hormonal fluctuations that prepare the body for the possibility of pregnancy. This cycle, typically lasting around 28 days, involves the shedding of the uterine lining, resulting in vaginal bleeding. While the experience can vary from person to person, understanding the basics of menstruation can empower women to manage their health and well-being. From puberty to menopause, a woman's body undergoes a series of hormonal changes that regulate the menstrual cycle. The onset of menstruation, known as menarche, usually occurs between the ages of 10 and 16. However, it's important to remember that every individual is different, and some variation in timing is entirely normal. Factors such as genetics, overall health, and body composition can influence when a girl gets her first period. Hormones act as chemical messengers in the body, orchestrating a complex dance that governs the menstrual cycle. Two key players in this intricate process are follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH, and luteinizing hormone, or LH, both produced in the pituitary gland located at the base of the brain. FSH, as its name suggests, stimulates the growth of follicles within the ovaries. These follicles are tiny sacs that each contain an immature egg. LH, on the other hand, plays a crucial role in ovulation, which is the release of a mature egg from an ovary. The levels of these hormones fluctuate throughout the menstrual cycle, triggering specific events at precise times. Understanding the ebb and flow of FSH and LH is essential to grasping the complexities of menstruation. The menstrual cycle is typically divided into 4 distinct phases: menstruation, the follicular phase, ovulation, and the luteal phase. Menstruation, the first phase, marks the beginning of the cycle and is characterized by vaginal bleeding. This bleeding occurs because the lining of the uterus, which had thickened in preparation for a potential pregnancy, is shed. The follicular phase follows menstruation and lasts until ovulation. During this phase, FSH levels rise, stimulating the growth of several follicles in the ovaries. As these follicles grow, they produce estrogen, a hormone that plays a vital role in thickening the uterine lining, preparing it for a possible pregnancy. As estrogen levels increase, they send feedback to the brain, suppressing FSH production and preventing the development of too many follicles. Ovulation, the shortest phase of the menstrual cycle, typically occurs around day 14 of a 28-day cycle. The surge in LH levels triggers the release of a mature egg from the dominant follicle in the ovary. This released egg travels down the fallopian tube, where it may encounter sperm if fertilization is to occur. After ovulation, the ruptured follicle transforms into a structure called the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum secretes progesterone, a hormone crucial for maintaining pregnancy. Progesterone further thickens the uterine lining and prepares it for implantation if the egg is fertilized. If fertilization does not occur, the corpus luteum degenerates, causing progesterone levels to decline. This decline in progesterone signals the uterus to shed its lining, marking the beginning of menstruation and the start of a new cycle. As the egg is released from the ovary, its journey has just begun. This tiny cell, no larger than a grain of sand, embarks on a remarkable voyage through the fallopian tube. The fallopian tube, a delicate and intricate passageway, provides the perfect environment for the egg's travel. Tiny, hair-like structures called cilia gently guide the egg along its path. During this time, the egg has a window of about 12 to 24 hours to meet sperm for fertilization. If sperm are present, a miraculous event may unfold. The sperm race towards the egg, each one vying to be the first to penetrate its outer layer. When a single sperm succeeds, it merges with the egg, forming a zygote, the very first stage of a new life. If fertilization does not occur, the egg continues its journey towards the uterus. Here it will simply dissolve and be reabsorbed by the body. Whether fertilized or not, the egg's journey is a testament to the intricate and wondrous processes that occur within the female body every month. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel and stay updated with more informative content.